you try to launch Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and the game crashes, shows an error, or the game doesn't even open, then this could be happening because your drivers might be outdated or your game files are damaged or corrupt. So in this tutorial we'll teach you several methods to fix your game. Open your Xbox app. Select Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Click on Check for Updates. This will check for updates in case there's a new update that will resolve your issue. If that didn't work, select Verify and Repair. Choosing to verify and repair your files will reset Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. Do you want to continue? Press Yes. Now wait for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 to be scanned for errors. Now try to launch your game. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. Click on the three dots to open the Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 isn't working right, you can try to repair it. Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 is still not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024's data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 is still not working, uninstall it. This will uninstall Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024's settings. Your documents will not be affected. Press Uninstall. Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 and its related info will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall. Open the Xbox app to download Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 again. First, open the link that you will find in the description of this video. Click on Downloadable Version. Click on Download the Gaming Services Repair Tool for PC. Wait for the repair to be downloaded. Right-click the tool and select Run Administrator. Select Yes. Now wait for the tool to repair your Xbox app. If the tool worked, then type Y and then press Enter. First, Google GeForce Experience. Click on Download NVIDIA app. Press Download Now. Open the installer you just downloaded. Press Agree and Continue. If you already have GeForce Experience installed, Open GeForce Experience and click on Drivers. Press Download. Press Install. Select Express Installation and then press Continue. Now your NVIDIA drivers should be updated to the latest version. First, open your Xbox app. Click on your username. Select Support. Click on Gaming Services Repair tool. Press Start Repairing. Wait for your Xbox app to be repaired. First, open the Start menu, then open Settings. Open Apps. Open Apps and Features. Locate Xbox. Click on the three dots. Click on Advanced Options. Locate Reset and select Repair. If that didn't work, click on Reset. Press Reset. If that didn't work, press Uninstall. Press Uninstall. Close your Windows settings. Search for your Xbox app. Select Xbox app. Press Get. Wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. Press Open. Sign in to your account or press Browse the catalog. First, open the Start menu. Type PowerShell. Press Run as administrator. Press Yes. Copy the first command that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell frame and select Edit. Select Paste. Now press Enter to uninstall Gaming Services. Copy the second command that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click PowerShell and select Edit. Click on Paste. Now press Enter. Press Get to download gaming services. Press Yes. Wait for gaming services to be downloaded and installed. Now gaming services should be installed. Type Exit and then press Enter.